Hey, what's going on? Hope everyone is good out there. On this video, I wanted to make about people who actually wanting to start their YouTube automation channel. So this is going to be like a step by step. I'll be doing a walkthrough what you guys need to do if you want to start and run and also grow and also scale your YouTube automation channel. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is create a channel, right? That can be your banner and also logo. You can find all these things when you actually go to website as Fiverr, right? There's a lot of freelancers out there, and you're gonna be paying for logo and a banner design. Also, you're gonna be coming up with your channel name. Don't think too much about this. This is not such an important thing. You're gonna go to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will actually give you a lot of ideas what channel name you should be giving your channel based on whatever niche you're actually getting into. Okay, and then after that, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be finding your talents. So if you actually doing, like, for example, a sports channel, if you want to do like a celebrity channel, if you want to do animation channel, you're gonna be finding talents who can actually create these videos for you, right? So the best place that I find talents from is the website called upwork.com, and also there's other ones as onlinejob.ph, and I find Fiverr a little bit pricey, but these two websites should actually help you out to find the talents. You can post the job and then find talents. You can review their work, and based on what you actually find, you can actually just go out there and start creating content. How you can actually find what video ideas to give your talents is based on whatever content is actually already working and performing well on YouTube, right? So you're gonna go to the channels, popular channels who are actually doing it, and you're gonna be finding video ideas. Which video ideas have actually worked in that channel in the last, I'd say, 1 or 2 months, right? And see what you can do differently to what they have actually already done. For example, if someone actually did a top 5 racing cars in the world, right, you're gonna take the idea and also you're gonna see how you can actually change that. So for example, if you going and looking into like a sports channel, and your channel is maybe as an example, sorry, I'm just trying to think. For example, if you want to do a channel on celebrities, right, but your channel and your competitor channel that actually getting a lot of views, they're actually doing animation videos, right? But those video ideas actually worked. So see what you can actually do differently and bring that video idea to your niche, and see if you can create the video. Because what style of content YouTube really pushes out is unique content. So if you actually going out there and looking on the sports channel, and your channel is also sports, and if you're creating same sort of video ideas to them, like, it's gonna be very hard for you to get that much traction, because those videos have already been watched on YouTube, right? So I always like to find like niche which is really different to what I'm doing. So if, for example, if I'm doing soccer niche, I find video ideas from maybe celebrity channel or motivational channel, which video ideas are actually performing there well, so I can bring that video idea and see how I can implement on my videos. So once I dial down on the video ideas, I'll give the video ideas to the talents. So starting will be, as an example, writing the script. Then from the script, it will go to the voiceover will read, and then the final part will be actually going to like a video ideas, who's a video editor who's actually gonna be putting all the parts together, right? And the final part will be just creating the thumbnail, right? So that's your video done. You're looking at, maybe depends on whatever niche you actually want to get into. For example, niche that I used to do before was really awesome, because the video cost was like really low. I used to pay only $20-25 per video. But if you're actually doing soccer niche or like sports channel, those videos are a little bit pricey. So you're looking at maybe $100, $120, $150 per video, right? And it all depends whatever niche you actually want to get into, right? So after you've got the video, then you're gonna upload on YouTube. See what time those other channels are uploading on their channel, right? Just to get a timing which times they're actually uploading. And in the beginning you want to do only 1 or 2 videos just to test out, but if you find the right timing and also the frequency of your channel, that's when you can start uploading content based on whatever is actually performing well on your channel. So it's all about like analyzing data and seeing and testing also with different thumbnails, different video ideas, like thumbnails, also voice of artists. You want to see which ones performing well as well. I know some people actually do like female voiceover, some people do actually male voiceover. So you want to be testing with different things, see which one's actually getting you like high click-through rate and also high audience retention, right? And so that way you can multiply what's actually working on your channel, right? So based on that, so again, let me know how you actually going with your YouTube automation channel. Would love to talk to you and help you out. If you actually starting out with your YouTube automation channel, if you want to get some ideas, I'll leave a link in the description. Come and connect to me via Facebook and we can actually have a chat, and some of the awesome bonus I'll be also giving you to actually help you out to find the best niche for your actual channel, actually if you're starting out new. Thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev and my God bless you all. Bye for now.